The Eye of Horus, History, Symbolism, and Activation. The Eye of Horus is a powerful ancient Egyptian symbol that represents protection, royal power, and good health. It is also known as the Wadjet. The Eye of Horus is often depicted as a stylized human eye and eyebrow with the markings of a falcon. This symbol has a rich history and has been used for millennia in various cultural and spiritual contexts. Historical background. Origins. The Eye of Horus originates from ancient Egyptian mythology. It is associated with the sky god Horus, who is often depicted as a falcon. According to myth, Horus lost his left eye in a battle with Set, the god of chaos, who was his uncle and the murderer of his father Osiris. The eye was later restored by Thoth, the god of wisdom and magic, symbolizing healing and restoration. The Eye of Horus was used as a protective amulet, believed to ward off evil and ensure the health and safety of the wearer. It was commonly placed on the deceased to protect them in the afterlife. Mathematical and symbolic meaning. The Eye of Horus also has a mathematical aspect. It was used in ancient Egyptian mathematics, with each part of the eye symbolizing a fraction, 1 and 2, 1 4, 1 8, 1 16, 132, and 164. These fractions were used in the measurement of grain and liquids. The different parts of the Eye of Horus each had specific meanings. The eyebrow represents thought, the pupil represents sight, the right side represents hearing, the left side represents smell, the curved tail represents taste, and the teardrop represents touch. Symbolism in modern use. Protection and healing. The Eye of Horus is primarily seen as a symbol of protection. It was used extensively in jewelry, amulets, and architecture. Ancient Egyptians believed it provided health, safety, and protection against evil spirits. Today, the Eye of Horus is still used in jewelry and tattoos as a symbol of protection and good fortune. It is also popular in modern spirituality and is used in various forms of holistic healing and alternative medicine. Activation of an amulet. Choosing and preparing the amulet. Selection. Choose an Eye of Horus amulet that resonates with you. It can be made of various materials like gold, silver, or stone. Cleansing. Cleanse the amulet physically and energetically. Physically clean it with water or a cloth. Energetically cleanse it using methods like smudging with sage, placing it under moonlight, or using sound vibrations from a singing bowl. Setting intentions. Meditation. Sit in a quiet place and meditate to focus your mind. Hold the amulet in your hands, close your eyes, and take deep breaths. Intentions. Clearly state your intentions for the amulet. For instance, you might say, I charge this amulet with the power to protect me from harm, bring me good health, and provide clarity of vision and thought. Energizing the amulet. Visualization. Visualize a protective energy surrounding the amulet. Imagine the Eye of Horus glowing with a bright protective light. Affirmations. Repeat affirmations that align with your intentions, such as, this amulet is a powerful symbol of protection and healing. Rituals and ceremonies. Ritual bath. Some people find it helpful to conduct a ritual bath before activating an amulet. This involves immersing the amulet in water infused with protective herbs or oils. Ceremonial blessing. Perform a ceremonial blessing, possibly involving the elements. Pass the amulet through the smoke of incense, air. Sprinkle it with water. Touch it with a flame, fire, and place it on the ground, earth. Wearing the amulet. Daily use. Wear the amulet close to your body, ideally around your neck or wrist, to keep its energy with you throughout the day. Recharging. Periodically recharge the amulet by repeating the cleansing and energizing process, especially if you feel its energy has diminished. Conclusion. The Eye of Horus is a timeless symbol of protection, power, and health that has been revered for thousands of years. By understanding its rich history and symbolism, you can harness its energy in modern practices. Activating an Eye of Horus amulet involves selecting a meaningful piece, cleansing it, setting intentions, and regularly recharging its energy. Through these steps, you can invite the protective and healing powers of this ancient symbol into your life.